Well, good afternoon from Sagebrushcountry in Sawtooth Mountains of Idaho. The middle of a winter afternoon drive in December, headed from Boise up to Idaho City to Loman, Stanley, over to Sun Valley and back around. Beautiful day to be out. Hope you ride along. Big Game Overpass allow migrating deer and elk to cross this busy Highway 21 on their own on the top. Overlook in the burn. Almost to Loman. As you go up Highway 21 east of Loman, it's actually called the Ponderosa Pine Scenic Byway. Look for these pines, especially along the river here, and especially keep an eye out for ones like this guy right here. These big ones, big mature ones with this reddish bark on them. This guy's about 3 feet wide, well over 100 feet tall. Ponderosa pine are widely distributed from Canada to Mexico, common in Idaho, though decreasing a little bit overall. Very desirable lumber tree, have 3 needled whorls coming off them, big long pine needles on them. Beautiful tree. Okay, just beyond Grand Jean on Highway 21. There's a couple good glimpses of the backs of the Sawtooth. So there's what you can see there. You gotta look pretty hard for these openings in the trees. There is one scenic overlook where you can see them. Definitely worth a stop. Take a closer look. Okay, between Banner Summit and Stanley, Idaho, you can see a lot of lodgepole pine. There are these kind of more olive-colored trees. Here's a couple good examples of some individuals with that more gray bark. They don't get real tall through here, though they can get up to 150 feet tall in Idaho. They're a pioneer species, meaning they're the first to grow, usually after a disturbance like fire. In fact, the cones on them are so closed up with resin that they need a fire to help open them up. So, boy, after a fire, there's a lot of seed there. They'll jump and get into these really thick young stands. They call them dog hair stands. They are actually a species that's kind of stressed throughout the West now. They need colder temperatures, wide variety of soils, but they can do better on tough, rocky, more arid soils at times. And with the drying, warming climate, they're getting more stressed and they get beetle killed. You'll see a lot of dead ones in there as you look out in there. Anyway, keep an eye open for it. Galina Summit. I think this is one of the prettiest overlooks in all of Idaho as you look down those Sawtooth Mountains. Snowman. If he could only look over the berm, that would be his view.